Do you know you can actually make money just by creating simple short AI films? People love to be entertained. And the best part is, you don't need expensive tools to start. Creating short AI films can help you grow fast on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram because creative storytelling attracts attention. With consistent uploads and engaging visuals, you can pour traffic, build an audience, and reach monetization faster. It's not instant, but with creativity and free tools, you can start building your brand and audience today. Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to make short AI films using only free tools, whether it's for AI content, storytelling, African folktales, or your YouTube channel. Be sure to watch till the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss any part. If that sounds good to you, come on, let's get started. Welcome back to Learn with Emnet, the channel where we learn, create, and grow together. Step 1. Storyline. First, let's see what we're about to create.
Attention citizens. A potential threat has been detected. Please remain calm and evacuate the area immediately. Follow the nearest exit routes as instructed.
Get me that city feed online now.
Listen up. If that device detonates, half the city won't survive. Amina, this is on you.
Tracking initiated. Drones already in pursuit.
Stay sharp, Amina. Every second counts.
Copy that. I won't let them down.
It took me just 6 main steps to achieve this result. The first step is generating your story. You can get inspiration from an image, a memory, or even a movie. For my film, I got the idea from an image I created using Nano Banana. I shared the image with ChatGPT, asked it to create a story around it, and boom, it gave me a complete script with dialogue and visuals for each scene. It even broke it into 2 parts with 6 scenes each. Before moving forward, I always study the script scene by scene to understand the emotion, flow, and visuals needed. Trust me, this step is crucial. Step 2. Characters and image generation. Next, I focus on characters and image generation. If you've ever told or written African folktales, this step will feel natural. You already know how to bring characters to life. I asked ChatGPT to list all the characters and their descriptions. Then for each scene, I asked, how many visuals do we need? For scene 1, it said 4. This helps your AI assistant stay aligned with your vision. Once I had the list, I used Whisk AI, which integrates Nano Banana to generate consistent images. I simply copied the text prompts from ChatGPT and pasted them into Whisk. For my main character, I uploaded her reference image directly into Nano Banana, so her face and features stayed consistent throughout. Step 3. Animation and video generation. Now comes the most exciting part, animation. Creating films with AI takes creativity, especially when you're using free tools. Platforms like Whisk AI, Magic Hour, Chat LLM, and VO3 are great all-in-one options, but they can be expensive. So here's how to do it free. For scene 1 and part of scene 2, I used Pixverse, simple and great for calm moments. Then I switched to Vidu AI for high-quality 1080p animations. It supports start and end frames, giving smooth transitions and cinematic motion. For the action sequences, I used Howyo AI, an amazing free tool with start-end frame control that fills in the motion between frames automatically. Just prompt well and add camera movement. The results are awesome. I also used VO in Google AI Studio for extra dynamic motion and cinematic camera work. Tools like Kling AI are great too, though their free tiers have prompt limitations. Remember, the secret to great AI animation is creative prompting and camera direction. Step 4. Voiceovers. Next up, voiceovers. Some scenes had dialogue, so I used Gemini speech generation in Google AI Studio. You can also use 11 Labs or other text-to-speech tools. For multiple characters, I used Gemini's multi-speaker feature. I deleted the sample text, pasted my style instructions from ChatGPT, assigned voices to each character, boss, analyst, and generated their dialogues. You can do the same, just organize each line carefully to match your script.
Listen up. If that device detonates, half the city won't survive. Amina, this is on you.
Tracking initiated. Drones already in pursuit.
Stay sharp, Amina. Every second counts.
Step 5. Lip sync and editing. Before lip syncing,
Listen up.
I brought
If that
all my
device
animated
detonates,
clips into
half the city
CapCut.
won't survive.
There, I aligned each dialogue perfectly with its matching scene
initiated.
to make
Drones
sure everything synced smoothly. Once everything looked right, I exported the video and audio separately for the next step. Then, I went to sync.so, uploaded both files and hit Generate Lip Sync. The results were surprisingly accurate, perfect for storytelling and cinematic effects.
Listen up. If that device detonates, half the city won't survive. Amina, this is on you.
Tracking initiated. Drones already in pursuit.
Step 6. Sound design and final touches. For sound effect, I used 11 Labs. They give you 10,000 free credits monthly. Just go to the sound effects section, paste your prompt like power bike engine, city ambience, or drone movement and generate. I also use Google's Music FX for background scores. Finally, I brought everything back into CapCut, added transitions, adjusted background sound, and exported my final film. And here's the results. Unknown hostile detected. Repeat, hostile on pursuit route. Her bike's adaptive shell just shifted to stealth mode, optical black engaged. The system's compensating for enemy lock-ons.
That's her survival protocol. Keep tracking her signal. Don't lose visual.
To simplify your workflow, work scene by scene. Generate, animate, and edit one scene before moving to the next. It saves time and keeps your story consistent. Don't forget to check the link in the pinned comment for more tutorials on how to use all the tools I mentioned in this video, and to discover even more free AI tools you can start using today. And that's it. You just learned how to create a full AI short film using free tools. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so others can learn too. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll reply to as many as I can. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and keep growing. Thanks for watching.